Good afternoon, Python programmers. As you know, in the previous video we have discussed the usage of grid method in Python. In this video we are learning further. We are going to create the login page in the Python Kinter, in which we will be adding the two labels. One will be the enter name and second label would be enter password, and then we are going to create the two entries for the name as well as the password. And in this video also I am going to show you that how can you better organize your widgets in the Python Kinter window. So let's start. As you know, in the last video we have just discussed up to this point, and if we run this program you can see that we are having a label and we are having an entry. So here we are going to create the second label, that will be the label L2. So we are going to create over here the label will be L2, and that label is added in root, and the text of that label will be enter password, and now you know it will be L2.grid as it is row 1, and again we are going to create the second entry E2 grid will be, row will be same and column will change, column 1, row 1, column 1. So if we run this program you can see we have enter name, and name is we can enter name over here, and here we have enter password. So whatever password we are entering, that we will enter over here. So now you can see that if we check this output here, this enter name and enter password, they are not properly organized. We need these to be organized. So for that what we can do over here, like we have root l1.label l1.grid. so here I can use sticky equal to w means west. So here if we run this now you can check that they are properly organized as compared to the previous output. And then we are going to discuss one thing, that in this output you can see, my dear viewers, that there is no gap from the top. We need this particular labels in the center. We need some space from the top. So for that we need to give the padding in the y direction. As we are giving the space from the top, so we are going to give the padding in the y direction. So how can we give padding over here? So you can see that l1.grid sticky equal to w. So e1.grid row 0 column 1. So here basically you can specify the padding will be pad y equal to 20. So if I run this now, you can see there is a little bit space that is left over here from the top. Now it is more specified, it is more clear, and it depends on you that whatever padding value you need to specify. If I give the padding over here 30 and I run this again, now you can see it is more formatted now. So in this you can enter your name, in this you can enter your password. It is all about this video. In the next video we will be learning about that how can we hide that password. As you know that a password field is never visible, password is never visible to the users. So we are going to discuss that how can we hide that password. So it's all about this video. Thank you.